Ever wondered if your favorite artists had a different name before they found fame? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of stage names, and we'll be uncovering the real name of the rising star, Raiz. Buckle up, music lovers, because this journey is about to get real. Raiz. The name alone evokes a sense of mystery, a hint of rebellion, a touch of the exotic. It's a name that perfectly encapsulates the artist's unique blend of sounds, seamlessly fusing traditional Colombian rhythms with modern electronic music. But have you ever stopped to wonder, what's the story behind the name? Was it a childhood nickname? A sudden burst of inspiration? Or something much deeper? The truth is, Raiz wasn't always Raiz. Like many artists, he embarked on his musical journey under a different moniker. And while the name Raiz now resonates with fans worldwide, his original stage name offers a glimpse into his artistic evolution, a reminder of the journey he's undertaken to reach this point in his career. So, what was Raiz's previous name? Drumroll, please, it was Man. Yes, you heard that right. Man. A name that undoubtedly reflects a different artistic persona, a different chapter in his musical story. But why the change? What prompted him to shed his old skin and embrace the powerful identity of Raiz? The shift from Man to Raiz signifies a profound artistic transformation. Man perhaps represented a more introspective, perhaps even more subdued era in his music. Raiz, on the other hand, embodies a bolder, more confident, and ultimately more authentic expression of his artistry. It's a name that reflects his roots, his connection to Colombian culture, and his desire to break free from conventional boundaries. The impact of this name change is undeniable. Raiz has become synonymous with his unique blend of sounds, his captivating live performances, and his undeniable charisma. The name itself has become a powerful brand, a symbol of his artistic vision and his commitment to pushing creative boundaries. But the story of Raiz's name change is more than just a trivia fact. It's a reminder that artists are constantly evolving, constantly searching for ways to authentically express themselves. It's a testament to the power of self-discovery and the courage to embrace change. Personally, I find the journey from Man to Raiz incredibly inspiring. It's a reminder that we all have the power to reinvent ourselves, to shed old identities, and to step into our true selves. And that, my friends, is a message that resonates far beyond the world of music. So, the next time you listen to Raiz's music, remember the story behind the name. Remember the journey, the evolution, the artist's unwavering pursuit of authenticity. And perhaps, let it inspire you to embrace your own journey of self-discovery. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.